I see people make this mistake all the time. They start learning web development and they watch video after video after video here on YouTube. They buy and then binge watch through a couple of 40+ hour Udemy courses. Then they finally go to start working on something and they have no idea where to start. Trying to learn how to code by watching people code is a lot like trying to learn skateboarding by going to your local skate park and just watching people skateboard. When you watch enough of it, you'll understand what they're doing. You might even know how they're doing some of those tricks. But that first time you step on a skateboard, it'll probably be a short and potentially painful adventure. Videos, blogs, and books can be very useful resources, but you need to go and actually build things. You have to learn through doing and use those resources and these other things that are available to you to help you when you get stuck or run into problems. And I know one of the hardest things is to find things that you can actually be working on to get this practice in. So here are a few great places to find stuff to actually help you get your hands dirty.